In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import bookmarks into Google Chrome. If you're moving to Chrome from another browser, this is a quick way to bring over your favorite sites so you don't have to start from scratch. I'll walk you through the process on a computer and I'll add a few tips to make sure everything lands exactly where you expect. Start by opening Google Chrome. In the upper right corner, look for the three-dot menu. Click that to open Chrome's main menu. From there, choose Settings. This takes you to Chrome's control center where we can manage things like profiles, privacy, and in this case, imports. On the settings page, find and click Import Bookmarks and Settings. This opens a small window that lets you pull data into Chrome from another browser installed on your computer. You'll see a drop-down at the top. Open that list and choose the browser you want to import from. If you don't see your old browser in the list, make sure it's installed on this device. Sometimes closing the other browser first helps it appear, and using the same user profile on your computer can also matter. Below the drop-down, you'll typically see checkboxes for the kinds of data Chrome can bring over, such as favorites or bookmarks and sometimes other items. Keep bookmarks selected. With your source browser chosen, confirm your selection in the drop-down and then click Import. Chrome will run the import, which usually takes just a moment. When you see the confirmation that it's complete, click Done. That's it, the import is finished. To find your bookmarks, look for the bookmarks bar just below the address bar. If you don't see it, press Ctrl+Shift+B on Windows or Command+Shift+B on Mac to show it. Chrome usually places imported items in a folder called Imported or Imported From, followed by the source browser's name. Open that folder to see everything that came across. You can drag items out of that folder, reorder them, or right-click to rename folders so they match the way you like to work. If you're signed into Chrome and have sync enabled, your imported bookmarks will back up to your account and follow you to other devices where you use Chrome. If the import button was grayed out or nothing imported, double check that the other browser isn't running in the background and confirm you're using the correct Chrome profile. And remember, you can repeat this process anytime you need to bring in bookmarks from another browser. That's all there is to it. Enjoy your organized bookmarks in Chrome.